Good morning everyone. Welcome again. Today we will discuss biological and cultural roots in chapter 3. So let's start. An important determinant of our behavior is biological structure that we have inherited from our ancestors in the form of developed body and brain. The importance of such a biological basis becomes obvious when we observe cases in which brain cells have been destroyed by any disease, use of drug or maybe any accident they met, and such cases develop various kinds of physical and behavioral disabilities. Many children develop mental retardation, other abnormal symptoms due to transmission of faulty gene from the parent. So let's discuss about this. Biological factors influence all aspects of our behavior. Disease, malnutrition, injuries, and other conditions that interfere with normal development functioning are potential causes of abnormal behavior. And some chromosomal aberrations also there. 46 chromosomes in the nucleus of each being normal being, and coded in the chromosome is the hereditary plan. As you already studied about all this chromosome in class 10th also. When fertilization takes place, the normal inheritance of the new individual consists of 23 pairs of chromosomes. So one of each pair being from the mother and one from the father. So 22 pairs of these chromosomes are known as autosomes, which determine body characteristics. So the remaining pair means 23rd pair of chromosomes is the sex chromosomes. Next is here about faulty genes. Each chromosome is made up of a long molecule of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Scientists have shown that our genetic instructions are stored in this DNA. Genes carry the instruction for specific body traits such as eye color and blood type. So two types of genes, dominant genes and recessive genes are here. About two types of these dominant genes, their instructions are followed even if the other member of the pair carries contradictory instructions. And recessive genes whose instructions are not followed unless the individual has inherited two such genes, one from each parent. So this is about faulty genes. Okay, then sometimes abnormal symptoms due to transmission of faulty genes also from the parent they get. Next is about cultural roots. As human beings, we not only share our biological system but also certain cultural systems. These systems are quite varied across human population. All of us negotiate our lives with the culture in which we are born and brought up. So culture provides us with different experiences and opportunities of learning by putting us in a variety of situations or placing different demands on our lives. So such experiences, opportunities and demands also influence our behavior considerably. So these influences become more potent and visible as we move from infancy to later years of life. So thus, besides biological basis, there are cultural basis of behavior also. So we will discuss in detail about the role of culture in behavior is what. We will discuss all this in detail further in this chapter. So today we have discussed about biological roots and cultural roots. Next time we will discuss about neurons in next video. Thank you.